si Joy Esparza Sarsiaga, your Miss Grand Muntinlupa!
Good evening, everyone. This is Rana Marie Cudia Flores, your Miss Grand Pampanga.
Good evening to each and every one of you. My name is Arian Joyce Bautista Villarreal, your Miss Grand Caloocan City.
Good evening, everybody. This is Margaret Siet Baton, Miss Grand Bicolania.
Good evening, everyone. I am Babylin Nama, your Miss Grand Parañaque City. Good evening, everyone. I'm Anne-Marie Barbado Pasco, Miss Grand Muntinlupa City. Christine Julia La Plaza, Miss Grand Philippines.
Juanita!
Anita Rose Gomez, Miss Grand South. Good evening, everyone. My name is Michelle Arceo, Miss Grand Taguig City. Nikki Buenafe, Fairview, Quezon City. Good evening, everyone. I am Irish Escudero Parto, your Miss Grand Laguna. Giant Cabatuan, Miss Grand Valenzuela. Good evening, everyone. I am Rona Rabina, your Miss Grand Tanay Rizal. Good evening, everyone. I am Angel Luis Cortesalo, your Miss Grand Philippines, Quezon, Pangasinan. Naibag grabe kada kayo amin. I am Princess Organiza Tacazon, Ilocos Sur.
Okay. Sa media. Okay, lahat ba ng candidates dito? Okay. Ito yung ano tayo, main cam muna tayo.